Hey guys, so bear with me on this. I have changed the winding a little bit. I've been messing around with just this. I know this isn't the ideal way to do it, but I just want to see what would happen if I just wrapped the L1 along the length of this. It seems to be a little bit better when I make it heavy on the side of the coil that's supporting the light. Okay. And then, so you know, I get a nice light now. And then if you look at the RMS going across on the light side of the coil, I've got the probe on 10 times for that, so 1.5 would be 15.5 volts. Let's say 15.4, let's just say 15 volts, right? That's this yellow probe here, okay? So it's basically, this is, you see, here's the coil here, where is it? It's on this side of the coil, just these two wires here, one probe on this side, okay, on the two wires coming out of this side of the bucking coil, which is supporting the light, which is also across the capacitor, okay, that's just in parallel, and that's lighting the light, all right, that's let's just say 15 volts, right? So now I'm going to turn that channel off, okay? Just gonna unplug this one. And then plug in this is the current. Hang on a second, sorry about the video. All right, so let's turn these channels on. All right. And now you can see we have the yellow trace is actually on the bucking coil, the side without the light, which is the side of the coil with the diode. And then underneath is the current, okay, that's going through the light bulb or through the 0.1 ohm resistor that's going to the light, all right? So we look at that, we got 600, 610, 620, let's just say, you know, it's going up to nearly 690, nearly 700 milliamps. So let's just say 650, okay? So 650 milliamps, okay? So 650 milliamps going across this side of the circuit through the light bulb, and that's at 14 volts. I think that's being a little bit conservative. All right, and then in we have 13 volts going in, 13.03, and it's 440 milliamps, but 5.73 watts. Okay. Now, if you do the math on that, that's seems to be we're getting a little bit more circulating in the circuit than what I'm putting in, and I think that's even if you add what I'm using to, you know, the power that's driving it. So let's just say that's another watt. So let's say that's 7 watts there, and I think that calculation comes out to about 8.5 watts. So getting closer on this. I think I'm measuring that correctly. I can't see what I'm doing wrong. If you do the calculation of the current circulating on this side of the coil, it's even more. So anyway, just wanted to point that out. Just a quick update. Cheers.